Hello and welcome back. So, today we'll be learning a poem whose title points to its central concern, ethics. So, what is meant by ethics is a general system of moral principles, the study of which is the branch of philosophy concerned with right and wrong of certain actions and behavior. A system of ethical or moral behavior is essential to a civilized society, and we learn early through instruction many of its moral precepts. However, in the course of life, people find themselves in situations in which they must decide for themselves what is the right way to act or the right choice to make. It is an individual's responsibility to make the right choice and to be accountable for that choice. A part of growing up is learning how to make the right choices. So let's start with a poem. In ethics class, so many years ago, our teacher asked this question every fall. If there were a fire in a museum, which would you save? A Rembrandt painting or an old woman who hadn't many years left anyhow? Restless on hard chairs, caring little for pictures or old age, we did opt 1 year for life, the next for art, and always half heartedly. Sometimes the woman borrowed my grandmother's face, leaving her usual kitchen to wander some drafty, half imagined museum. 1 year, feeling clever, I replied, why not let the woman decide herself? Linda, the teacher, would report, eschews the burdens of responsibilities. This fall, in a real museum, I stand before a real Rembrandt old woman, or nearly so myself. The colors within this frame are darker than autumn, darker even than winter. The browns of earth, though earth's most radiant elements burn through the canvas. I know now that woman and painting and season are almost one and all beyond saving by children. Now, the speaker here recollects her school days when her ethics teacher would ask the same question to her students every fall, that is, autumn season. The teacher would ask her students whom would they save if there were a fire in the museum, a Rembrandt painting, or an old woman who hadn't many years to live. So, before we explain the poem, you need to know who was Rembrandt. So, Rembrandt was a Dutch Golden Age painter. He was a printmaker and a draftsman. He is known for his paintings. So basically, he was a painter. So here, the students would be restless on hard chairs and give answers half heartedly without understanding the significance of the question. As they cared very little for art or life, they would choose life 1 year and art the next year. Since they were students, they were kids. Another year, the writer tried to suggest letting the woman decide for herself, but the teacher warned her not to escape from her responsibility of making a choice. And years later, in an autumn season, Linda visited a museum and stood before a real Rembrandt painting. And as she was studying the painting, she noticed that the colors were darker than autumn, darker than even winter. The painter's colors on the canvas were those deep colors seen at the end of a season. However, she saw that through these dark colors, Earth's most radiant elements burned. By using such imagery, she expresses what she saw in the Rembrandt, which a child would not be able to see. So here the writer, she realized that a beautiful painting and an old woman are all beyond saving by children. She understood that a child would choose to save an old woman rather than a painting because the child felt that it was morally the right thing to do. The unmatched beauty of the painting was truly worth saving. At the same time, she was now standing in the place of the old woman. She was grown up, so she understood the value of the painting, which she could not as a young girl.
She remembered how little meaning either pictures or old age had for her then. Because we were kids, we don't understand the importance of a painting, of a beautiful painting, or a life. How important it is, we don't know. But now she realizes, because she's a grown up woman now. She now realized the teacher's true intention in posing the question that woman, painting, and seasons are all equally important and they are beyond saving by children. She shows that at a young age, children don't fully understand what ethics means. They would just do what felt morally right. She understood that ethics comes with the experience that one has in one's life. In the concluding part of the poem, which states, I know now that woman and painting and season are almost one and all beyond the saving of children. It is evident that this poem is not meant for the amusement of children, but rather for people who have attained the age of the speaker. In these lines, the poet finally realizes the real meaning of the question posed to them by their teacher several years ago because of the numerous years of experience she has gained. The narrator implies that the woman and the painting both represent old age and wisdom, things that the children are unable to comprehend, and that is why they cannot assist or save them. So the poem, it addresses the complex issue of morality and argues that responses to questions of morality isn't always necessary, as far too often the answers come from a lack of experience and full understanding.
I do hope you have understood the poem. In case you have any doubts, you can comment below and keep watching for more videos. Thank you.